Welcome to 12100 West Deep Canyon Drive. This beautifully crafted former parade home on over 1 acre is tucked away in the gentle rolling foothills of Star with breathtaking views of the mountains, including Bogus Basin and Squaw Butte. The European-inspired architecture greets you with open arms as you approach up the circular drive. The exquisite finishes provide a timeless beauty, while the warm and open design of this home welcomes you in to unwind. The French country gourmet kitchen evokes your culinary creativity. Your eyes are drawn towards the picturesque windows showcasing the magnificent views. Unwind in the sophisticated master suite with cast iron soaking tub, large walk-in shower, and heated travertine tile floors. Enjoy a private living and entertainment suite on the lower level where guests or family can enjoy a separate living space, theater room, exercise room, and sauna. Cherish memories in your backyard oasis with some of the most amazing foothill and mountain views in the area. Whether on the upper deck or the lower patio, the setting couldn't be more beautiful. The terraced landscaping offers the perfect setting for the organic raspberries, strawberries, and grapes. There's even a variety of fruit trees. Hillsdale Estates is a sought-after community known for its scenic setting with direct access to public lands. Homeowners enjoy nature trails, a fishing pond, and an optional use equestrian center. Boise and the surrounding communities have been honored with numerous accolades from respected publications such as the Wall Street Journal and Forbes magazine. It's one of the best areas for outdoor activities, best places to raise a family, and one of the safest areas in America. Be inspired by nature, yet embrace the amenities of modern living offered by this stunning property.